Hi, thanks for bringing the blessings to all of us. And my name's Kelly. I'm recently graduated from Yale. Now I'm working in the World Bank in DC. So my question is that sometimes from being a student to working as a young professionals, we always get lost sometimes, and we cannot find it, even though we walk, but we couldn't find the work that we're really passionate about. And so we try to work harder and to find what is really interests us. But sometimes we always get lost, and we could not feel that's the right one for us. So for this case, would you give us some suggestions how we deal with when we get lost, and should we continue or just give up until the right time comes, then everything will be fine? Thanks.
다 대 잠복는 그 롭자 강당 강야나 롭자 돈 차르니 되니 그 레가 자디온다 하장 같이 쉬는 거 그러나 아메리카나이나 저 리자코 잔다 저 드르네나 네 상록당나 텐자다리가 적슈레 제타나 레가 자디오는 그 땅보 공거는 지 고르모 하장 몽어즈단 톰보 되니 어머기를 챙겨 그냥 그만도 어머기를 총산에 쏠는 시기장지나 되니 름지 되니 다리 ರಂ금 달람도 썰용 그래 막 또제마 당상 존도 초참아가 당보년에 롭자는 거 돈되는 되니 다와레 리전도 고르모다리 베 동청 몽보다는 되니 지 고네양 돈보 럭스리양나 지 타커 그 외슈 촉사다 디모이나 레키다리가 고네 대한 자디오스가 모인너리 되난 잠몰는 거뭐 하장 적천 뭐 조용의 당보 곰바 름지 소용으로 다 데스터 쉬기나 그가 싫던 걸 내가 다리 자주 강을 요요인데다 요나양 저 그가 름지 ರಂ가 다리 임달람도 익사로 지를 삼가.
Yes, concerning this point, I think it's most excellent to have graduated from these fine colleges and institutions. And going ahead and getting your vocation and pursuing your career is crucial. And that's exactly the direction you should be taking. But it seems that sometimes here in America, it might be that, and in other countries too, the young student who's a fresh graduate who's looking for employment has too lofty of a goal to try to get a very high position just right from the get-go. And so I think you should lower that expectation and start at a more reasonable place, and then gradually build upon that and approach more slowly and carefully without becoming too overly excited or perhaps unrealistic about jumping too high initially before it's time.
Thank you very much.